In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete edges in Blender the right way. We're going to walk through a clean, reliable method for removing edges in your mesh, and I'll add practical context so you understand exactly what Blender is doing behind the scenes. This is great for cleaning topology, opening up holes, or simplifying geometry without breaking your model. First, go into edit mode. Make sure your object is selected, then switch from object mode to edit mode. You can do this from the mode drop-down in the top left of the 3D viewport, or by using the shortcut if you prefer. You'll know you're in edit mode when you can see the mesh's vertices, edges, and faces. Next, select the edges you want to delete. It helps to switch to edge select, so you're targeting edges specifically. You can do that by clicking the edge select icon in the header, or by using the edge selection shortcut. Now choose the edges you want to remove. Box select and shift click work well for precise control, and alt click is handy if you need to select a continuous edge loop. If you need to reach edges that are hidden behind others, toggling X-ray can make selection easier by letting you select through the mesh. Take a moment to confirm your selection is accurate. Anything you choose here is going to affect connected geometry. With your edges selected, press X or the delete key. This opens Blender's delete menu, which gives you several targeted options. For our purpose, we're going to use the edges option. Choose edges. When you do, Blender removes the selected edges and any faces that are connected to those edges. This is important. You're not just getting rid of the lines, you're also removing surface polygons that depend on those edges. As a result, you'll typically see openings where the faces used to be, which is exactly what you want if you're creating holes or simplifying parts of your mesh. Any vertices that are still connected to other geometry may remain, while truly isolated pieces could be left as loose elements. So keep an eye out for that if you're maintaining a clean topology. A quick tip for intent: if your goal is to keep the surface intact but simply remove the edge itself, consider using dissolve edges instead in future edits. Dissolving removes the edge while preserving the surrounding faces, which is better for maintaining a smooth surface. That's the process. Go into edit mode, select the edges, press X or delete, and choose edges. Practice on a simple mesh first, and you'll get a feel for how Blender updates the geometry. Thanks for watching, and happy modeling.